So this is the Aspiron Canister vacuum cleaner. Here's the unit itself. Pretty hefty. It's got this swivel wheel here, and there's large wheels in the back. It has 20-foot rewinding cord. It's 20 feet long. There it is. Back here is the filters. I access them here. And this is where the dirt goes, right in here. This is the main brush. It has a up and down get the focus here. Okay, it's got an up and down button here. You push that and these brushes come out. Push it the other way and the brushes disappear, of course. They kind of duck down out of the way. Doesn't have a very large aperture for the stuff to go in, but most of the robot vacuums that I've experienced have that about that width as well. And I suppose that the air comes right in, up. It, like all vacuum cleaners, it has a bunch of attachments, little crevice brushes and so forth. And it's got a little scrubber unit. And I guess it's vacuum. You see these fins here, so it's like a water wheel, you know. It's they're driven by the force of the air to do more scrubbing. This is to be tried. Extra filters come with it. So here's the main hose. It's got some kind of release on here. And let's see. On this, this is an extended wand, you know, a long hose. And you push on this and it extends out and locks. Okay. Nice metal. And so, at some point, this all plugs into the there it is. It clips in there. Oops, sorry. It actually clips in there. And then it has two pressy things, and you press on them, and it releases. So, there's that. So now, I'm going to plug it in and start it up. I say I am. To figure out how to get the hose into the hose goes right into that long straight part. And the main brush Attaches thus like most vacuum cleaners. A couple of wheels on there. So let's start it up and see how much noise this thing makes. It has a dial here for minimum to maximum suction. We'll see how that works. There's your on and off button here. So we'll plug it in and see what happens. And so, that's a good look at this little vacuum cleaner. Thanks for watching my video.